Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is Alizium Public School and College, Lodhran. We are here to help you about the answer keys of all the questions papers. It's the first paper of 2023 first annual paper English. Let me explain the MCQs and their answers so that you can check and evaluate all by yourself how many MCQs are correct one. MCQ's solution of all the papers will be given on the same channel right 1 hour after your paper. So let us start the discussion. MCQ number 1 is, I improvised a sack. Improvised a sack, the sentence is taken from the chapter on destroying book. Improvised means to manage or to arrange. So the correct option is contrive. Option number 2, B option, contrive is the correct option. Now question number 2, MCQ number 2. It received envoys from the Byzantine emperors. Envoys mean diplomats. So C option is correct one. Envoys, and the correct option is diplomats. Now question number 3, MCQ number 3. Nevertheless, many boys are cast entirely on their own resources. Nevertheless is the underlined word. You have to provide the correct synonym. The correct synonym is not still, upright or wrongly. It is option B, because of. Nevertheless, and correct option answer is because of. Question number 4. Lister's aim was prevention of disease. Prevention is the underlined word. You have to provide the correct synonym. It's not the spread. It's not the treatment. It's not the rule. The correct answer is avoidance. C option. Now question number, MCQ number 5. No less revolutionary was the abolition in 1925 of the national headdress. Abolition is the word. You have to provide the correct option. It's not the promote, not start or the loth. It's the elimination. Question number 5, the underlined word is abolition and the correct answer is elimination. Now 6, the result was disastrous. Disastrous means something very hard or dangerous. So the correct option is calamities, A option. It's not the light, novel or obvious. It's the option alpha, calamitous. Now question number 7. MCQ number 7 reads, sleep again if you feel inclined. Inclined means having the will. The correct option should be prone. It's not the shocked, not the otherwise, not the behind. Delta, D option, prone is correct one. Now MCQ number 8. He remembered that the day of his preliminary interview. The underlined word is preliminary. You have to provide the correct option. It's not the great, not the important, not the last. C, fundamental is the correct option of preliminary. Now MCQ number 9. The clang of the school bell at unaccustomed time. Unaccustomed is the underlined word. You have to provide the correct synonym. It's not wanted, not necessary, not happy. It's B option, uninformed. Something which is not priorly informed, which is not according to the customs. It's something new or sudden. Uninformed, B option is correct one. MCQ number 10. Chiefs took up isolated words out of that extraordinary indictment. Indictment is the underlined word. You have to provide the correct option. It's not the slogan, not performance, not the place. Option A, impeachment is the correct option of indictment. Now question number, MCQ number 11. She is particular dash going abroad. You have to fill up the blank with the correct option. Correct preposition, it's not on, not for, not of. C option, about. She is particular about going abroad. C option is correct one. MCQ number 12. While staying here, you are secure dash all dangers. You have to provide the correct preposition. It's not at, not of, not to. So first option A, from. While staying here, you are secure from all dangers. First A option is correct one. MCQ number 13. His house is adjacent dash mine. You have to fill up the blank with the given preposition. It's not on, not with, not for, correct option is 2. His house is adjacent to mine. MCQ number 14. She is fluent dash table talk. You have to fill up the blank with the preposition. It's not of, not at, not from. A option in is correct one. She is influent in table talk. Now MCQ number 15. She is guilty dash misconduct. You have to provide the preposition. It's not for, not at, not an. B option of. He is guilty of misconduct. MCQ number 16. Now these are 4 sentences. You have to choose the correct sentence according to the grammatical rule. The given sentence in the question is the gold is precious metal. Dear student, you know gold is a material or common noun, so you can't use the word the with gold. So first option A, gold is a precious metal, is correct one. MCQ number 17. Your guests have not yet arrived. You have to provide the correct sentence. Choose the correct out of these given 4. Dear students, probably you were taught at the class 3 yet is used with negative or interrogative sentences. It always comes after the verb. So the correct option, your guests have not arrived yet. B is the correct option. Your guests have not arrived yet. MCQ number 18. The wages of sin are death. The wages of sin are death. Dear student, this is a proverb. The wages are plural, but the death is singular. So you have to choose the correct sentence according to the grammatical rule. The wages of sin is death. C option is correct one. MCQ number 18. He made the winning goal. When somebody plays, he doesn't make the goal, he scores the goal. He made the winning goal. The correct option will be he scored the winning goal. B is the correct sentence according to the grammatical rules. Now MCQ number 20, the last one. He was asked to say little more. He was asked to say little more. The correct option was A is he was asked to say more, it's incorrect. He was asked to say more is incorrect. He was asking to say more, little more is incorrect. D option, he was asked to say a little more is the correct option. So dear student, this is all about your objective paper. I hope you have evaluated yourself how many MCQs are correct, and inshallah for the second group we will upload the answer key just right 1 hour after your conduction of the paper. Stay blessed, work hard, may Allah succeed you. Thank you very much.